Kuya po Nueva Ecija again for our weekly update on the house and the pool build. Lots of things going on here today. A lot of activity. Got the drone back up and running. It came back from repairs. Hopefully my wife's going to be getting that up on the YouTube about how that repair went, and you'll get to see that it's working great today. And I actually flew it without crashing it, so yeah, good thing. So what's going on here today? Well, let me spin this around, and the guys are all taking care of business. So I know I did this several times in the last vlog because we had some camera issues. I ended up repeating myself repeatedly. Sorry about that, guys. But all the light drops are in. These are going to be all pin lights up here. There is some recessed lighting up here. And then this is the living room ceiling fan, additional pin lights, plenty of light. And it's going to be that kind of LED lighting that you've got 3 options as far as color goes. You got the bright daylight, the kind of the low dimmer light, and something in the middle. So I just couldn't figure out what kind of light to use in here. So this way I don't have to. We could change it if we want to. So let's go in the kitchen real quick. You can see they've started manufacturing the countertops and the island. Looks pretty rough, I know, but it'll all be cleaned up. There'll be some cabinetry underneath here. This we designed as a breakfast bar on this side. And yeah, we're going to be using some porcelain marble looking tile for the tops of these. Also, I have decided on a built-in cooktop. It's going to be gas, 3 burner. And then also we've got built-in cabinets over at pantries over here, and there'll be a built-in electric oven as well. Of course, cabinets all underneath the bottom there. So this is all starting to come together. If you notice, guys are bringing in tile. That's for the pool wall, actually. Got all that tile over here. This is what I mistakenly said I was putting on the floor of the pool on a couple of vlogs ago, but this is actually for the wall. Hopefully you can see that. It's kind of a pretty blue. Then I'll show you the floor tile as well. They've got all the fill dirt in, almost all the fill dirt around for the pool here. That tile will start going on this week. All the outlet boxes are in. This is the floor tile. You're not going to be able to see it very well here, but it is kind of a white marble with a black lines, not lines, but it looks like marble. Veins, I guess that's what it's called, running through it. So should be really pretty when we get it in the house. All right, I made a little change. I think hopefully it's going to be a good one. This was going to be awning windows here and then stationary glass along the top, but I've reversed it. I'm going to put awning windows along the top, and then this is going to be stationary glass. I just felt like for airflow purposes it would be a better selection. And I wish you could feel it right here, right now. The air feels so good moving through this house. It's just awesome. Okay, so this is the floor of the pool. It's a white textured, because I don't like slipping and sliding on the full floor. This is a bathroom tile, which you can't really see here. Maybe you can see it here. Hang on, let me see if I can get this up. Yeah, that's going in the bathroom, one of the bathrooms. I'm not sure which one. So all the tiles getting delivered today, and it's going to get put up this week. All the ceiling boards are in except for one area in here in the kitchen where they've got it all coming. And then I believe he's taking it from here over there to the pump room. That's where our fuse box is supposed to be. So this is what it's like to lay by the pool and get a tan. But you can see that all the dirt's been brought in here, and they're actually working on the retaining wall on this side to finish the backfill over on this side. All the outside light sconces, this is a plug, but you can see where they've etched the concrete for wiring. We'll have outside lights in several places on the building. Over here where the shower is going to be outside, they're going to put a different type of wall light to light up that area. So let's look at the spare bedrooms real quick. I'm thinking they're buttoned up, and they are. All the light drops are in, plugs are in. It's ready for tile. The CR between the two spare bedrooms, this bedroom, same thing. So something different. Never seen it before, but I was asking my engineer, what is this, you know, orange conduit? And where's it going, and how's it gonna? They apparently bring, they put that up against the edge of the wall, like this, and then all this, it gets a layer of concrete. And then the tile, I believe, goes on top of that. I'd love to be here when they do this, because I've never seen it done. I believe this is a similar way they did the tile floors in the house that I had in the Dominican. But that's going to all get done this week. More plugs. This is the master bedroom. All the plugs are in for the AC units. You got a couple of drop light sconces that'll go here. Ceiling fans are all in, but we won't be putting them up until, obviously, until all the tile work and the painting's done in here. This is the master closet. We just discussed how we're going to lay it out, and we're going to do like a little vanity mirror table here with a mirror above it, and then identical closets on both sides, his and her type of deal. And then this is the master CR, and everything is in place in here as well. They are ready to do tile work. All right. Okay, I'm outside now under the carport, which they will be working on, I believe, today and tomorrow. The pump room still needs roofing material. The roofing material is here, so that will be finished pretty soon. Little more fill dirt needed in here, in front of to bridge this carport to the pool deck. And this again, in case I haven't said it in a while, this is where the dirty kitchen's going to go, on this side of this corridor, just outside the kitchen wall, as a matter of fact. So all this is looking good. God, so much going on, guys. I can't tell you how excited I am. They've got the light drops here under this canopy. Those will be the outside lights on this side of the house. And let's get around here to the side, which is kind of the front, but not, if you know what I mean. They've also got these weren't in last time. They've got these catch basins for the gutters with a main drain line. You can see where the power is going to come in and down and go out to the road. This is for wall sconces, for wall lights out here. This little pipe right here, I believe, don't quote me, but I'll find out for sure. I think that's they're supposed to be installing a termite system to where you put the poison in this pipe that goes all the way around the outside of the home and distributes like a termite solution, just to keep termites from becoming a problem in the future. Another wall, outside wall sconce. Got another one over here. Another catch basin. All these gutters have catch basins. And then over here on this side, they are continuing the work on the retaining wall all the way up here to the road. But you can see the guys are here taking this all the way down. Then they'll bring fill dirt in and finish filling in right there. Lots of stuff going on. So exciting. This is where the outside shower is going to go. And then we'll get back around here. Boy, I hope my drone shots turned out good. Hope you guys like them. Super happy with Lazarus Technologies out of Manila that did the repair. I couldn't be more thankful how quickly they did that. And boy, I won't make that same mistake twice. I promise you that. If it's one thing I am, it's a quick learner. and the lesson here is don't lose sight of your drone until I guess you get good at flying with a screen. So you can see that this retaining wall is coming all the way around here, even to the back side of the pool here. And it'll tie into this one here and then finish up down on the carport side. So let's get around here, take a look. Yeah, not much changed here, but they are in the process of working on it. Okay, so guys, real quick, great opportunity came up for me, and I was asked to take part in an archaeological recovery of a P-38 Lightning pilot who was shot down by the Nazis on the very first day of the invasion of Sicily in World War II. It took them a long time to locate the potential crash site. It's out in the middle of the countryside in Sicily. They believe they've located that site, and they've started the process of trying to recover the body and repatriate that body to the United States. So I feel very blessed to be able to help with that. This particular group does these missions all over the world. Some of them are funded by the government to help repatriate fallen soldiers and airmen and seamen to the United States. This particular person actually has living family, has a brother that's still alive, and so we're real hopeful that this mission is successful. But they utilize disabled veterans with these archaeological missions, and so I was asked to take part in that, and I feel very honored to do so. So I'm going to be gone for a little while. I'm hoping to do one more vlog next week before I hop on a plane for a 36-hour string of flights. And don't give up on us though. I think Jen's going to try to keep the vlogs going moving forward until I get back. I'll be gone about a month. So appreciate you guys watching. Hope you're enjoying them. I hope you're enjoying seeing everything kind of, I know I am, seeing everything come together, and can't wait to get here to Cleopo. All right, y'all have a great week. Peace out. The good, the bad, the Philippines.